Let's take a look now at the video challenge which we're going to be instituting in full force dito sa darating na Thursday, net touch violation.
There you go. And
Dito mo
slow-mo.
talaga tumama
yung kamay.
si Perez.
So that's video challenge for you. You know, Photon, they're all smiles. They seem like, you know, they're having fun. That Globus machine, I'm sorry if I didn't get the name of the machine right, but that really helped them a lot. You could see it.
And I guess it's the confidence that it brings, no? Talagang
Yes.
kasi ibang klase yung ginagawa mo sa ensayo. So when you
Oo.
get here, alam mo na parang you've seen basically every serve that there is.
Yeah, and when you're prepared, you're confident, di ba? Even in exams, di ba? In school, when you review, kaya-kaya may exam. So it's the same here. You prepare, you know how to move in the court.
And again, Williams delivers. Perfect pass galing kay Acevedo.
Ang ganda nga kasi ng first balls ito, parang ang Photon ngayon, they're on a roll eh. They know what to do, they know where to go, they know how to pass, and of course, they know how to hit.
Ivy Perez serving again. She has served so many times here in this match. Morales sends that one long. Alam mo, again, nabanggit na natin kanina to eh, parang masama yung gising ni Linda Morales sa araw na to kasi hindi naman ganun talaga yung kanyang mga atake.
Oh, hindi ganyan yung talagang ano niya, no? Movements.
Right now, Ivy Perez and the rest of the Photon Tornadoes will say, we'll take it. We want the victory. We want the win. The quicker we can get out of here, the better. Jaja Santiago with a power tip.
Alam mo, kanina pag ginagawa ni Jaja yun, naguhulog siya sa zone 6. So, kailangan talaga mabilis yung adjustment ng RC Cola. Pag nakita nila si Jaja, basahin na agad yung bola if it's gonna be hit hard or if it's gonna be just a power tip.
Again, itong Photon picking up where they left off in set number 2, looking to try to build a big lead. And Ortiz says, not this time.
Ang ganda kasi nung ball up ni ni Balmaceda, and that was a perfect set by Di Maculangan. Matagal nang nagsama tong si Di Maculangan and Ortiz, so kabisado na niya what kind of ball Ortiz wants for a running hit.
Ortiz with a serve. Williams. McClinton delivers. No, that's still alive. Williams sends that one over. Chance here. Perez sets up Stalzer. Yonko. Yes!
Iya Yonko doing a good job. Nagulat pa dun si Messing when that ball landed almost in front of her. That's a good serve from Ortiz.
Jaja this time with power.
Bumawi agad si Jaja for their team with that middle hit. Yun nga, dapat talaga ang first line of offense mo is the middle hitter. So it's a quick, look at that. There goes that quick set, quick hit. Hindi ready ang defense ng kalaban.
Santiago the serve.
Good serve.
Morales says that is the way to do it.
Oh, yan. So hopefully, through that hit, makuha na niya yung rhythm niya ulit. That was a good first ball from Balmaceda.
And suddenly, you can see all of a sudden the zip in the jump and in the movement of Linda Morales. Inaasahan ngayon ng RC Cola magtutuloy-tuloy yan. Williams, smart play.
You know, the hit of Photon towards Iya Yonko wasn't even really hard. So I was a little bit surprised na misreceive niya yung bola. And that's what happens when you misreceive a ball tapos nagregalo ka. Naku, mahirap na yun. Net violation called on Linda Morales. Umami naman din siya agad.
Photon looking really solid today. You look for Caballero, goes down the line, dug by Perez.
Easy over.
That is the Morales we all know.
Again, Linda Morales, ang ganda, sharp, low sharp hit there. Ang ganda rin kasi ng setup ni Di Makulangan. Good serve from Iya Yonko.
Balmaceda with a great dig. Not a good pass there by Williams. Stalzer adjusts.
Alam mo yung lihis nung kamay ni Stalzer when she hit that ball, pinadaan pa niya sa left blocker na si Caballejo, kaya na off the block. She was gonna go cross court eh, tapos biglang lihis. Good serve, good up.
Messing denied. She asked for it again. This time with power.
Yun yung okay, no? When you make a mistake and you're given the chance to redeem yourself, earn a point.
Judges Santiago there on your screens, and she has been everything that is expected. Talk about what she brings to the table.
Yeah, Judges Santiago, no? Kahit na in college, ang galing na nito eh. You see her numbers always double-digit, and she really dominates the middle. Kahit na ba meron kang imports in her team, she still brings in the numbers for Photon. You know, the numbers that she brings in, hindi lang naman sa middle hit, even in her services eh. Matindi rin yung services ni Jaja. And you know, I think it's in the genes, diba? The sister of Dindin Manabat.
Let's check in now with Mela.
Chika and Anthony, pag-usapan nga natin ang isa sa key players nitong Photon Tornadoes at ang baby raw ng team na si Jaja Santiago. She's been very effective the past few games at maganda rin na pinapakita niya kontra RC ngayon. According to Jaja, she's been exerting double effort dahil iba ang collegiate level sa pro level at lalong-lalo na may mga imports siyang kailangan sabayan and at the same time bantayan naman sa kabila. Ayon sa kanya, rather than get pressured ay mas nilalighten na lang niya ang mood ng team sa pamamagitan ng pangungulit sa kanyang mga ates and at the same time, giving energy and all-out performances sa kanilang trainings and games. Back to you, Chika and Anthony.
And you know, yun nga yung difference eh. Kapag meron kang imports, tuloy na elevate yung level of playing ng locals. And that's exactly what Jaja was saying, di ba? Sinasabayan niya yung imports. So kung walang imports, she'll just be playing her own regular, you know, level of playing. But since there are imports, meron pa pala siyang ilalabas at nadidiscover niya yon. And not just her, but also the other players here in the PSL. They discover that they can be more than they thought they can only be.
And you gotta keep pushing yourself, especially if you want to start excelling internationally.
Yes.
Eh, yung Pilipinas ngayon, sumasali na tayo sa international competitions again.
Right.
Medyo nawala tayo sa scene for a while. We used to be one of the top teams in Southeast Asia.
That's
And
right.
then the others have really overtaken us, talking about Vietnam, Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia. So slowly but surely, you know, with the PSL here,
Yes.
nakikita natin na angat at tiyak, angat talaga yung volleyball dito sa bansa.
Oh, kasi di ba nga, I'll just extend that statement of yours. Kasi aside from the fact that we bring in imports from, you know, really advanced countries with their advanced technology in volleyball, and nagdala pa tayo ng video challenge, and it's really gonna encourage our players to even play better. So ngayon, patuloy tayo sa game. Caballejo is now going to serve for Arsicola. That's a good serve. McClinton there. Wow, the movement in both teams, huh? But Stalzer just stops the rally with a power
Stalzer
hit.
really knows what to do.
Hits that ball in zone 5 and nobody's there.
Stuffed that time. Quick play. Jaja delivers again.
At alam ni Jaja kung sino yung nasa back row ng Arsicola. So because Linda Morales was in the middle, she positioned that ball to the side of Linda Morales, knowing that mas mabagal ang bagsak ng matangkad na player.
Nice serve by Messing. Morales gets to that. Here's McClinton. Nice work by Stalzer. Missing. That's kept up. Nice play there by McClinton. They set up Morales from the back row. Stalzer just pushes it.
You know, si Stalzer, thinking player siya eh. She could have hit that ball hard. Maganda naman yung taas ng bola. Look at this replay. So Perez does a back set. Stalzer just tips it over. Dun sa dulo para mahirap kunin. And Balmaceda was just short in getting that ball.
Diba? Sabay tayo, kaya pa naman yan eh.
Layo na. Yung defense pattern natin kahapon, hindi natin nagagawa ngayon. Bakit talo?
Sana sa defense partner, binigyan dito sa likod, umatras ka, dapat kilin tayo dito.
Kapit tayo ha, kapit tayo.
Sumunod tayo kung ano ginagawa natin.
Kaya pa yan ha. Kaya ha, fight, let's fight guys, let's fight.
Nakaganon yung kamay eh.
I mean, yes.
Kasi, running batong sa ulo.
Yun nga sabi ni Coach Vil, no? They have a defense pattern that they train for. So, hindi siya lumalabas dito currently in the game. At tapos, sinabi rin niya na kailangan, keep fighting. Hindi pa naman tapos ang laban. And also, reminding the team na kailangan basahin nila yung kamay. Gaya nga nung kay Stalzer. Stalzer's hand at that time in the last play was open. Nakataas yung kamay, kaya hindi niya papaluin yun ng malakas. So dapat nakapag-adjust na sila doon. And of course, kailangan use the imports. But now, Messing is going to serve for Photon. That's a good serve. Good up by Morales.
Chance once again. They go outside. Williams. Nice effort by Morales. And scoring is Ortiz.
You know, I thought that set of Di Maculango was a little bit short for Micah Ortiz, but Micah Ortiz was able to do something with it, earning a point for her team. Di Maculango, one of the best servers we have.
Williams again. Bang.
Pasok na pasok yung bola yun kay Kayla William Tiangco. It was inside. And now, Ivy Perez. Remember, siya yung kaninang tuloy-tuloy yung services. She knows who to give the ball to. Good save there from Arcicola.
Free ball. Jaja just got that one over. Acevedo again there. Bang! Jaja all by her lonesome.
Alam ni Jaja who that ball that was gonna be given to, and she was right there for Iya Yonko. Look at this replay. Iya goes up. Jaja was there by herself dahil matangkad siya. Yung kamay niya talagang way above the net, nakapayong, kaya ang ganda ng bagsak ng bola.
We'd like to welcome you back to the San Juan Arena. Take a look at this one. Video challenge natin kung pasok o labas yung bola. Ayun, makikita mo talaga yun. Walang question.
Oo.
Pasok na pasok.
Pasok na pasok. So right now, no, nakita na there were variations in the video challenge. One was the ball in or out? One was may touch ba sa net or wala? Did it hit the antenna or wala? So those are the different things that the video challenge can do for us.
Ivy Perez serving once again. Photon has doubled up on Arcicola. That's gonna stay inside. Yonko denied. They go to the other side. Jaja power tip.
Again, no, zone 6 na naman yung chinempohan ni Jaja, and she's doing a good job raking in the points for Photon. Talagang sinasabayan niyang imports, di ba? Doing a good job. Good hit there by Ivy Perez.
Acevedo again has really done her job here. Finally scoring is McClinton.
See McClinton using the blockers to earn a point with that off-the-block hit. You know, as a player, even if you feel frustrated already, kasi look at the points. 17 ang Photon, 9 lang ang RC Cola. Kailangan labanan mo pa rin yun, and you really have to still play your best. And that's exactly what Linda Morales is doing.
And it's nice to see them still smiling because at this
Yeah.
stage, you know, na medyo ang laki nung kailangan mo habulin. Not just in this set, you're down by 7, but you were blown out in the first 2 sets.
Yeah, that's right. Kaya nga, it's good to see pag nakasmile yung kakampi mo, yung energy mo kahit paano hindi yan nananatiling sa baba, it goes up.
Stalzer continues her scoring ways. And the lead is back up to 8.
Parang Photon is not really having a difficult time right now.
Eh, sinasabi natin kanina, di ba, mukhang masama yung gising ng RC Cola.
Oo,
Ito
eh.
naman, Photon, ang ganda nung kanilang gising. Lahat sila, all of them delivering.
Yes, I have to agree. Kasi maganda yung galaw ni Acevedo as the libero. Maganda yung set ni Ivy Perez. She even earns points from the service area. Stalzer, ano naman yan talaga namang given na yan. She delivers, Messing delivers. Jaja also delivers, even Araneta. Kaya nga lahat pati si Kayla William Tiangco.
Another good serve. Di makulangan. Nice setup. And finally, Linda says, I've got another point to boot.
Yeah, and look at her, ano pa siya, smiling, encouraging. Now we've got Semana to serve. McClinton, rather, takes a breather. It's a good serve. Ooh, miscommunication between Acevedo and Messing.
Semana comes in and quickly delivers an ace. They'll need more of that. Ang laki pa ng kanilang hinahabol dito.
Good serve.
And Morales can't get that over. Yun yung mga sayang para sa RC Cola.
Oh, yung mga kasi parang nagdalawang isip siya. Would she set the ball or just hit it over? And then at the last minute, she hits it over. Too late na. Nag-net na yung bola kasi mababa na yung bagsak ng bola.
Cabalejo blocked. Yonko dug. Araneta just gets it over. Messing!
Alam mo, everything is working for Photon. Even with that set from Acevedo, it delivered a killer spike from Messing.
Much better pass.
Smart
she
move.
scores.
Yeah, smart move from Linda Morales. Medyo mababa yung bola niya, so she tips it over. She knew where she wanted that ball to go, and wala ngang tao dun.
RC Cole has not yet broke the 14-point barrier here. Let's see if they finally can get a little closer to the Photon Tornadoes. Cabalejo, easily handled. Acevedo says it's mine, and Stalzer says, I will take the point.
You know, si Stalzer, when she goes up for that hit, yung kamay niya, it goes up slow, but, well, not really slow, but, you know, just the right speed. But when she hits that ball, ang bilis nung roundup ng arm niya. That's why malakas yung bola niya.
Pushed back, Semana was there.
Ang ganda nung placing ni Linda Morales. That ball just fell right in front of Stalzer.
But still a huge mountain to climb here for Morales as she goes right back to her ritual. Steps on the line, takes 5 steps back, turns around and serves. Stalzer again.
Again, no, alam ni Stalzer kanino ibibigay eh. That time, Linda Morales was there at the back. Goes up for that hit, goes in between the blockers, lands in the middle back.
One of the few service errors we've seen today.
Yeah. Pero yun, yung mga tipong pwede. Kasi laki-laki ng lamang nila. Only two more points and they get this match. Now, Caballero serves. It's a good serve. Here goes Stalzer. Easy over. Di makulangan. Ortiz delivers. Messing again. Gets that point for Photon.
And it is now match point para sa Photon Tornadoes. They've made quick work of RC Cola here today.
Would this be the last point? No, McClinton keeps Arzigola alive.
But at the same time, you know, you may be saying they're just prolonging the inevitable because today I think the Photon Tornadoes will not be denied a victory.
Let's see. Here comes Di Makulangan. Good serve.
Jaja pushes it. McClinton looking to keep their team alive. But Williams says enough is enough. No. Buhay pa rin sila. Could this be it? Jaja for the coup de grace.
And Jaja earns that last point for Photon, ending that set 25-16. You know, Photon did a good job. Congratulations to them. They came prepared. They knew what they were supposed to do. You could see in their reception. You could see in their floor defense. And in their offense, no problem. Dahil magandang floor defense nila, the balls were easily distributed to the outside hitter, to the middle hitter. And really, Judges and Chagos did a really good job in the middle. And Stalzer, of course, front and back row, she was just hitting so well.
25-14, 25-13, and eventually 25-16. 3-0 victory by Photon.